How to activate a new Regions Bank debit card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you just received a new Regions Bank debit card, well here is how to activate it online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search Regions Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here simply log in with your credentials and once logged in from your dashboard, you can simply go to accounts and select card services or manage card option. And there you simply have to click activate card and enter your new card number, expiration date and CVV code. And with that, you just have to follow the prompts to verify your identity, such as entering a security code sent to your phone or email. And once verified, your card will be active and will be ready for use immediately. And that's it. That's how you can activate a new Regions Bank debit card online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.